term insurance, you're getting rejected by the company, what do you do?
Yep. So, Naveen is right when he says that term insurance is probably the best way of getting an adequate life cover. Now, for several reasons, of course, for income criteria or health conditions, you may be denied an insurance cover. So, which is fair. I don't think there's anything to complain on that count. If there is a health issue, then you will not get a term insurance, or if you don't have income. Now, the closest that comes to this is disability insurance. One in the form of a personal accident policy, which is a disability due to accident, death or disability due to accident, or you have a critical illness cover, which is basically disability due to illness. So this comes closest. Now, in terms of eligibility criteria, if you're taking a personal accident policy, which is a disability insurance for accident, income is going to be considered. So you will need to establish that you have an income, which is likely to be lost in case of disability. And health condition is not that much of a concern. It's more the occupation side.
You get the payout only in the unfortunate event of the accident. It's not a life cover. But if there is a critical, or if there's a major accident, then the sum assured gets paid
out. So it pays out in case of accidental death as well.
Accidental death.
So death and disability.
Okay.
Unlike a term insurance which pays out in any only situation. Death. So if you're not getting a term plan, at least cover yourself for an accident-related death or disability. And in case of a critical illness, which is because of an illness you're rendered disabled, so in that the medical condition is going to be important. So if you have some pre-existing medical condition, you might not get this cover as well. So income is not a criteria here. Health condition is a criteria. In a personal accident, income is important. Is going to be considered. Health condition may not be considered.
May not be. So, I mean, nothing is perfect. Nothing is as good as getting a term plan. But at least there are some options. Mohit, anything to add?
Just a quick one, and perhaps this might work. There are some credit cards which gives you Suraksha Shield. Which is that if you subscribe for that card, they will have a group insurance, right? So you will have to try some mechanism where you get coverage under a group insurance. And in offices we see, right? So irrespective of your pre-existing illnesses or your diseases, you get a group cover if you're working in a corporate company, right? Similarly, on credit cards, previously mutual funds used to have a product, but now these days SEBI has stopped that product. But some credit cards still give you Suraksha Shield. You might just want to go for those and get that group insurance cover done via that route. It's a roundabout way, but yeah, it works.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18 and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.